Hey guys, it's Tempting Mars, and today I'm here with the Alter Ego Slouchy Shoulder Bag. From the website, this bag kind of gives off an alternative, modern look. So I'm really curious as to what it actually looks like in person. And this is going for 375 Canadian. Let's unbox it. I'm not too familiar with Coachtopia products, so this is gonna be a kind of new experience for me. Let's see. Wow. Wow. This is really, really nice. I love this patchwork. So this does have a different feel compared to the past leathers. We'll have to see what materials they're actually using with the Coachtopia. I know that it's quite different from Coach. I love this strap, y'all. This is a really nice strap. It's thin, but at the same time, it actually feels sturdy. And I love these two little belt loops. I find that Coach will have one belt loop on a strap, but I think this is perfect for this alternative look. And here we have the infamous Coachtopia little charm that you can scan to get more info on your bag, which I think is honestly the perfect pattern for a bag like this. I honestly think it's like a little cute charm for the bag. I know some people might want to take it off, but I would keep it on, to be honest. Look at this beautiful patchwork, you guys. I really love this. This is exactly what gives it the alternative look. I think we're supposed to bring our phone close to it. There we go. Let's open up the tag, which I think is a cute little addition to the bag. I'm not here personally for the footprint or identity of the bag and where it's been. I obviously think it's really good to be eco-conscious at the end of the day, but we're not here for the digital version of the bag. We are here to review this bag. And what's nice about these straps is that you actually have a little holder here to put your strap in so it's not flinging around if you want it to not fling around. Slide it through, easy peasy. Look at that. There's no loose straps at the side. Oh, sorry guys, I was looking at the back of the bag. So the front of the bag has a Coachtopia patch. Honestly, I'm gonna be real, I'm not a fan of the Coachtopia patch. If I had it my way, I would have this covered. I don't want to see that. Some people might like it. At least the font is pretty cute, but that is just not something I want people seeing on my bag. I don't like when it's like text like this mainly, but some people like to let people know, hey, this is a Coachtopia bag. Let's open it up. So this bag actually comes with a longer shoulder strap, which we will try on. I like to do a vertical video to show what it looks like on, so I will do this strap and the OG strap. What a cute inside, you guys. So the inside is actually not leather because that is kind of Coachtopia's thing, as they want to use recycled materials as well as some leather. And I don't know if you can see, but there is some little designs here that do say Coachtopia on the inside. It's just riddled with Coachtopia, Coachtopia, Coachtopia. So we have one huge area full of space, and then you have a pocket here to fit some little small stuff. So the bag is supposed to slouch, I believe, like this. Kind of gives it that almost used vintage look, which I really like. Kind of like a thrifted look, you know that? That's what it's kind of giving. This is for sure an everyday bag. Some of the other bags I've reviewed are mainly for events. This can be used every day. Like I can imagine people walking the streets of Toronto or being like a party girl, like, you know, Charlie XCX brat party girl. That's kind of what I imagine those fans wearing. Here are the measurements, materials, strap, features, additional details, and the editor's notes. So it says, this shoulder bag is crafted of the soft leather scraps left over after a Coach bag has been cut from a leather hide. Complete with 2 detachable straps, one shoulder, one crossbody, it secures with a zip-top closure and holds your everyday things, keys, wallet, sunglasses, and more. Each bag may feature variations in color or print. It will continue to develop more character over time. 100%, this is like the bag to be wearing every single day, because I feel like once you get a few years in, this is gonna have a really, really nice, even slouchier look. And I think that it really is important that Coach is recycling the leftover scraps of the leather hide, because it doesn't mean that it's any less worth than the OG bag. And honestly, it gives more style to a bag. I don't know, I believe that we should be using whatever we have left over, you know what I mean, rather than just throwing it away. And here are some customer reviews. What I think is cool about this bag using recycled scraps from leather is that each bag that you are getting in this line is going to be 100% different. Like, you can kind of see that there are differences in the leather, which I really like. This patch feels just slightly different than this one, and it's not in a crazy way, but it's just, if you're really paying attention and looking at each square, one square might be different, and I think that is so cool. Here is the vertical video showing you guys what it looks like on. And I just want to tell you guys that when I was switching the strap from the short strap to the shoulder strap, it was so effortless. I'm not even joking. And the way that you adjust the shoulder strap, if you want it a little bit longer, and the other strap, of course, was literally the easiest thing ever. I have some videos of me doing it just because I need you guys to see how easy it was. This is a bag that personally I would probably wear every day because I'm someone who does like to wear a kind of alternative outfit from time to time. I definitely don't think this piece is meant to like pop out at people per se. Well, I mean, the other kind of styles that they have, because I believe they do have a checkered style and one that's just completely different colors. Those ones are meant to pop out, but with this black bag, it's meant to sync in with the outfit, which I don't think is a bad thing at all. I mean, not every outfit has the bag as the staple piece. It just adds on to the outfit and it makes it complete. What I like about this bag is that it is not a seasonal bag. I find some bags, you know, you can only wear in summer, you can only wear in winter. No, this is a bag that you can take literally everywhere. You want to go to the fair, go to the fair. You want to go to work, take it. I'm actually really, really impressed by this bag. And I don't know, it just has this kind of spunk to it. Is that a good word? Is that a positive word, spunk? It's a positive word for me, but I don't know if it actually means a positive word. But it has like this little spunk to it, if you know what I mean. Personally, I am really enjoying Coach's Coachtopia line. I like the fact that they recycle things and that they were conscious of that. The alter ego for me gets 2 thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Bye!